Leave past me, my dad. Alone, nigga, no more. That's why I gotta light my incense. Give thanks to Jah and greetings. Cause life they done like Kokosa. Me them try me like Koroma. Olu, I got my back, I don't fear nobody. Scrutinize me, I don't have no copy. I deserve it all, they can tell me nothing. Show them what can do my start shooting. Standing tall, I will change my footing. Concentrate on the flows for my soul. I don't meditate, but I meditate. Gotta smoke, I'm a man with the big mistakes. I didn't bring that shit. People tryna kill my destiny. What's wrong to be great is a prophecy. They must see my sleep and bracelet. Evil people do die instantly. Up against bad mind and jealousy. Pray for me, they pray for me. Those people tryna take away my energy. They ain't happy cause black young boys with the vibes from Philly. That's why they wishing I would jump from Kitty. Imagine saying I'm really one who gives. If you stress me, pass my God who did. Only take my body, want my slice. Take my price, then they ask for tithes. Hold my feast, I'm ready for a fight. Before they strangle me, when they try to survive. Lost in the ocean, I came with tights. Overcame my emotion, I face my fright. When I tune so better recognize. Alhamdulillah, I don't send nobody. Never let my happiness depend on money. That's why they cannot cure my pace. Stop off, shake my wrist. Let me run till I tire myself. Make I find my way up, lost myself. Yeah, save me. People tryna kill my destiny. What's born to be great is a prophecy. You must see my sleep from crazy. Sometimes my mind they move places I don't know. I try to find myself, I realize there's nothing left. Tried to make it right, but in the end I took the left. Where my mind they go, I don't really know. Thinking for my head, I gotta easy with the smoke. Following some plans, I think I lost them on the road. I stray. I go feed cobra, I go home. Codeine, crack, and rifle on. But Mary Jane got me after all. Mama told me that I'm better off, but she had a choke on me from 6th grade. Had to fall in love cause I only feel pain. Man, I really had it rough at a young age. So I grew up bougie with a rough edge. You know it's lights out when the front ends, but I ain't never had such a moment. Life been dark, so I am carnage. Stuck since way back, I've been lawless. Honest, true to my lifestyle, humble regardless. Heartless, minimal conscience. Dead inside, trying to find my purpose. Me, myself, and I, and a versus circus. Running around, I don't know what my route is. Reckless, getting this cause as I'm taking these lessons. Passing was out the rock, but I persisted. Big dreams, camera lights, I'm enchanted. I get within, I'm a brilliant system. Fighting into my drone, I'm an movement. Wrecking ball, coming through, I'm destructive. Passing the full but my objective. Sometimes my mind they go places I don't know. I realize there's nothing left.